Okay na. Move on tayo. No? Example number 4. The equation is 40r plus 15 equals 22r minus 3. Again, ang gagawin mo, hanapin mo again yung similar, di ba? Similar is 40r and 22r. Pareho nilang variables yung r, no? Another similar, okay, positive 15 and negative 3. Again, anong gagawin? Pagsasamahin yung mga similar, no? So, ito 40r. Ano isasama natin sa 40r? Itong 22r. So, anong gagawin natin? Ililipat natin yung 22r sa left side of the equation. Okay, again, no? O, ulitin natin ulit, no? Positive yan, lilipat mo sa kabila. Ano mangyayari sa sign? It will become negative. Magpapalit ng sign. Diba? Then, ito naman, isasama natin dun sa kapareho niya, no? 15, isasama natin dun sa negative 3. Okay? So, negative 3, pag nilipat natin tong 15 sa kabila, what will become of the sign? This is positive 15. What will become of the sign? It will become negative. Diba? So, let's finish this one. 40r minus 22r. 40 minus 22. What will be the answer? O, 18r. Diba? 18r, diba? Ito naman, again, no? Since this is subtraction, ang gagawin natin, palitin natin yung operation. Gagawin natin addition. What will become of the sign of 15? It will become negative 15. So, from negative 3 minus 15, it now becomes negative 3 plus negative 15. Okay? So, 18r. Kapag pareho ng sign, just copy the sign, then add the two numbers. Diba? 3 plus 15, that will give you negative 18. Okay? So, again, ang hinahanap natin is, hindi naman 18r, kundi value ng r lang. Diba? So, para matira yung r, we will divide both sides by 18. Diba? O yan, diba? 18 divided by 18, 1. What will remain? R. Negative 18, you divide by positive 18. Sabi natin, if you are dividing negative by other sign, positive, ang magiging sagot mo is negative. So, this will be negative 1. Okay? Susundan mo, ha. Yan lang kadali na.